Hello and welcome to Replify product tutorials. Today we're covering two highly requested features that let you schedule changes in advance, knowledge scheduling and live transfer scheduling. Let's start with knowledge scheduling. Knowledge scheduling lets you control when a knowledge item becomes active and when it expires. This is especially useful for promotions, holiday hours, temporary closures, events, or any other information that should only be available for a limited time. To schedule an item, you can select the timer button in the Actions menu, and then you can add an activation date, an expiration date, or both. For example, you could schedule a promotion to automatically turn on next Monday and then expire at the end of the month. Once you're ready, you can save that schedule, and then that item will start on a certain date and end on a certain date. Both dates are optional, and you can always manually activate or deactivate the item if plans change. Currently, all knowledge schedules use Pacific time. Next, let's look at live transfer scheduling. This feature lets you control when callers can be transferred to different teams or departments. Under Live Transfers, open the new Availability Schedules tab. From here, you can create a schedule based on the hours your team is available, such as your front desk hours. You can set the weekly hours, add an after-hours message, and assign the schedule to one or more assistants. Schedules can be reused across multiple assistants, or you can set one as your organization default. Each assistant can have one schedule at a time. Once a schedule is assigned, you can choose when each live transfer should be available. A transfer can be available during scheduled hours, after hours, and at all times. For example, your front desk transfer might only be available during scheduled hours, while another department could remain available at all times. If someone requests an unavailable transfer, the agent will use your after-hours message instead. If an assistant does not have a schedule assigned, its transfers will remain available by default. You can also pause transfers for one assistant or all assistants at once. This is useful for holidays, temporary closures, meetings, or any other time when your team cannot accept calls. While transfers are paused, callers will hear the after-hours message instead, or a default after-hours message. And that's knowledge scheduling and live transfer scheduling. Together, these features help you prepare changes ahead of time, keep information accurate, and make sure callers are only transferred when your team is available. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Replify product tutorial.